Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this episode we're gonna work on this beautiful Quercus Faginea.
Bonsai Dream. Bonsai Dream.
We start the work on this beautiful Quercus Faginea from Spain, removing all the old leaves that are dead and dry, so we can easily wire all the branches, and Fabio is taking care of protecting the deadwood of the tree with the lime sulfur in a dilution 1:5 to get a nice grey color. The tree has a beautiful deadwood, very old, but also with a lot of very fragile part that we want to preserve, letting them absorb as much as possible the lime sulfur. We just finished cleaning the foliage, and we have a lot of nice branches and all the primary lines we're gonna use to create the structure. We are finishing protecting the beautiful deadwood with the lime sulfur. You can already see the nice grey color that the wood is getting. The next work will be working on the stumps that was left for the collection. Un pianino di dove ha ripiato. The guys start taking care of the stumps. So the bigger one on top died back, so we remove the bark to see where is the calum, and then we're gonna break it down. In the left side, Ferdinando is removing the bark from the little gin, and we're gonna break that part, kind of giving the same shape of some of the deadwood in the central part of the tree. I'm not a big fan of gin on the cedar tree because normally the wood tend to rot away, but if I have some stumps like that, I like to leave just the little pieces just as a reminder of an old branch that in nature died. everything died back from the stump. here. So we need to clean all this bark, otherwise the tree will start rotting. Paura. We just finished the work on the Deadwood, creating a little bit of a transition between the hollow part and the new gin. Also here, breaking down the old part that was chopped away when the tree was collected. Now I do a quick selection of the branches. As always, I keep more branches than necessary. I have to just remove what is really not necessary for the design. So I start removing some of the branches from these clusters where many branches are growing together. I try to give energy and keep the stronger one, and remove what is weak or what is, for example, too long and with the green only on top. The next step will be putting the structural wire to all the lines, wire the stronger branches. We're not gonna wire all the fine branches, but just the strong lines, and start setting in position the primary structure for the future shape of the tree. The wiring is almost finished, only the apex is left and some little branches too. We are trying to avoid wiring too much because it's not necessary for this first wiring, even if we want to have all the strong secondary and tertiary branches wired to be able to set them in position. The guys are wiring very precisely, trying to not cross the wire, but in the same time anchor properly the wire to have the best hold to the branch they are wiring. Here we are just after wiring all the tree, ready to the setting. I want to show you the new front from this angle, showing this part going up here, because there is a better taper in this section, kind of hiding a little bit this part, but still we can see the live line in the left part, so both live line going up and twisting, one in the back here and the other one in the frontal part with all the nice branches. Because of the general movement of the tree go to the right, and I need at the end to move the apex in that direction, because my first branch will be here. I can shape the lower branches down, but the second part of the branch always have to go up, because this is a deciduous tree. So my goal is to frame the trunk and the big hollow, the big uro, with the lower branches, and then create kind of a double apex here with all the branches going up. So I will start with the branches here and then go around the tree and set the structure. And here we are with the final shape of the tree. I try to open all the branches in the different position, mimicking a natural shape for this old oak. Branches going down for the weight of the foliage, and then going back up and holding the weight in this way and creating nice clouds all over the tree. So for now, the styling is finished. Some branches still to thick up and create a stronger line, especially the apex and some of the stronger lower branches. But for this moment, I'm pretty satisfied about the work, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And here we are with the tree in summer 2021. Lot of new foliage and good extension to fix the position of the branches. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And as you could see, the wiring is one of the most important technique when we do bonsai. So if you want to get better on your wiring, you can purchase my book, and there is a complete article when I explain all the secret about this technique, and you can get your wiring better. So send me an email for more information, and thank you again.
Bonsai Dream.